In this video, I'm going to show you how you can decrease or de-wrinkle a shirt with just a shower. So you don't need an iron to do this. You can do this with just a shower. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so here we are in the shower. Now what we need to do, we just need to hang it up somewhere near the shower. Obviously make sure it doesn't get wet. Then put the shower on the highest heat and you're essentially going to steam the top, right? So you turn the shower on the highest heat, wait for this to steam, and we're going to leave this for maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes, and you should see it de-wrinkled in a second. Also, don't forget to shut the door and ideally any windows so you can keep the steam in the bathroom. So I've just taken it out of the shower. Now I've left it in for maybe 5 minutes, but you can leave it in for longer. It depends also how hot your shower goes, but some of the creases are out, majority of them. Maybe let's say 70%, but you should try this for yourself if you do actually need to decrease a shirt. Like now I can wear this shirt, right? Before it was overly creased. Now it's not too bad, but that's how you can do it. Go and try it with your shower, crank it up to the max and just let it steam. So thank you for watching.